A very good afternoon, dear children. Welcome back to the English class. Children, in the last class, we have discussed about noun and its types, common noun and proper noun. So, children, in this class, we are going to discuss about collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay? So, let's see what is mean by collective noun. Okay? So children, first let's see what is mean by noun and its types. Okay, noun means we already know. Noun is nothing but a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Yes children, so there are totally 5 types of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. So in the last class we have already discussed about common noun and proper noun. So children, in this class we are going to discuss about collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay. So first let's discuss collective noun. Okay. So see here. Collective noun. So a collective noun is the name given to a collection of common noun. So what children? Collective noun is nothing but a collective noun is the name given to a collection of a common noun considered as one group. So children, common noun means what? In the last class we have discussed about it. Yes? So common noun is nothing but a general and a ordinary name of a person, place, thing and animal. Yes? So, a general name of a person, place, thing and animal. So, here collective noun means what? Collective noun is the name given to a collection of a common noun considered as one group. So, you can see here examples. Yes? So see here, an army of soldiers. An army of soldiers. Yes, soldier means soldier is a common noun, but a army of a soldier, it's a collective noun. Yes children, so it is collective noun. A band of musicians. A band of musicians. Yes, musician means it's a common noun, but a band of musicians, it's a collective noun. A heap of stones, jury of judges, these all are examples of collective noun. I hope you understood this. I hope you are getting my point. Yes, collective noun means what children? It's nothing. It's a collection of a common noun. Yes, like army of soldiers, band of musicians, a heap of stones, jury of judges. Yes? Okay, I hope you understood this. Now let's see what is meant by material noun. Okay? See, material noun. A material noun is a thing which is extracted from the earth or is used to make other things. Material noun means what children? Material noun means a material noun is a thing which is extracted from the earth or is used to make other things. Extracted means what children? Extracted means taken. Means a thing which is taken from the earth or is used to make other things. Like cotton, we use cotton to make clothes. Yes, wheat, wood, these all things are taken from earth, extracted from earth or is used to make other things. Yes, like cotton, wheat, wood, gold, honey, cement, sugar, water, copper, milk, soil, silver, pepper. And plastic, silk, etc. So these all are examples of material noun. I hope you understood this. Yes, material noun means nothing but material noun is a thing which is extracted. Extracted means taken from the earth or is used to make other things like cotton, wheat, wood, gold, honey, cement, sugar, water, copper, milk, soil, silver, pepper, plastic, silk, etc. Okay, so now let's see. Okay children, now see abstract noun. An abstract noun is the name of some quality. An abstract noun is the name of some quality, action, state, feeling of idea. It's something which we can feel or think about but cannot touch it. So what is meant by abstract noun? Abstract noun means an abstract noun is the name of some quality like action, state, feeling or idea. It's something which we can feel or think about it but cannot touch it. Means what? Examples: bravery, goodness, answer, movement, beauty, strength, freedom, death and sickness. So children, tell me, can we touch bravery? We can feel it. Yes, we can think about it but we cannot touch it. Yes, goodness. Yes, also we feel it but we can think about it but we cannot touch it. Yes. Yeah. So movement, beauty. We also feel beauty. We can think about it but we cannot touch it. Yes. Strength, freedom, death, sickness. These all are examples of abstract noun. I hope you understood this. You are getting my point. So children, in the next class we will discuss deeply, okay, about collective nouns and about materials noun and about abstract noun. The examples of these three. Okay children. So in this class what we have discussed, we discussed three types of noun: collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Yes, collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. I hope you understood this. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss the examples of collective noun, material noun and abstract noun. Okay, till then stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Okay.